Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be tackling this. The product I'm going to be using today for these headlights is a product made by Total Wax. It's a headlight lens restore kit, and we're going to try it out and see how it does. This is a close-up of what the product looks like, and this here is what is included in the box. A polishing pad, the polish itself, and some ceramic wipes. So this product says to apply the polish with a cotton cloth onto the headlight using moderate pressure for about 30 seconds and then wipe it off. And they might need to put on a couple of different coats, and if your headlights are really bad you might have to use the polishing pad, which is included in with the kit. As you can see, these headlights do need to be cleaned. They're not the worst headlights I've ever seen before, but they do need a good clean. So I've got a microfiber cotton cloth and I have the polish here. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on the rag and start polishing and see what it does. I'm going to start over here in this corner and it says to polish it for about 30 seconds in a back and forth motion, so that's what I'm going to do. That's already looking better. Okay, now that I've done the whole light, you can still see right in this area, right here, that it's still kind of cloudy and still has some discoloration to it. So now what I'm going to do is use the sanding pad that's included with the kit with some water and see if I can improve that. So I've wet the applicator pad and I've got a wet towel, and I'm going to go ahead and wet the headlight now over the area that is the worst. Then I'm going to take this green number 1 and with light finger pressure go over it and just sand the worst area. And whenever I do this for about 30 seconds, I'm going to flip this pad over and do the same in the opposite direction. I'm going to do in the opposite direction with the other side of the pad. Again, I'm going to do this for 30 seconds. Okay, that's probably good. You can see all the stuff that's coming off. I'm going to take this damp towel and just wipe that stuff off. And then I'm going to take a rag, a dry towel, and dry it. So here is what the headlight looks like now after using the polish and then using the sanding pad and then polishing it again. The only step left to do is use the acrylic wipes that are included with the kit and rub that on and let it dry. So now I'm going to use the included ceramic wipe and I'm going to put this over the headlight and let it dry for 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, now that I've got a good even coat on that, I'm just going to let that dry. So this is what the headlights look like after I've done both of them. It made a huge difference. They're still not perfect. They don't look like brand new headlights if you get up close, but they are a lot better than what they were. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and I'll leave a link to this turtle wax down in the video description if you'd like to check it out. And I'll see you next time.